Get off the ground.
Back up some more, you can see the light.
Get off the ground. What are you looking for?
Go closer.
No, knowing her, she gonna come running. What are you looking for? Why is she walking straight?
She gonna be walking right here and get her ass over.
Where's she going?
She walking to the street.
Well, can I have this little small one to go with my other small one from you?
Yes, you can have the small one. All right, Destiny, we're leaving. Come on, Rihanna, get in the car. Bye, Destiny.